Appears the federal government is making it harder for disabled employees to keep their jobs. Is this even legal? Well, let's talk about it. Hi, I'm Shaun Southworth, a federal employment attorney, and I fight for the rights of federal employees. Right now, disabled federal employees are facing some of the biggest threats I've seen in years, based on what we're hearing. The Trump administration issued orders that pushes thousands of federal workers, including those with disabilities, back into the office. Some employees are being pressured to resign while others are facing new hurdles to keep the accommodations they depend on. Well, can they really do this? Here's the truth. Federal law, specifically Section 501 of the Rehabilitation Act, still protects many federal employees. Agencies must provide reasonable accommodations, and they cannot target you for layoffs just because you have a disability or request an accommodation. So what about remote work? Well, even with the push to bring workers back to the office, if you have a disability and need to work remotely, the government still must reasonably accommodate you unless they can prove it's an undue hardship. This is especially true if you've been working remotely for some time. If they refuse, that could be illegal disability discrimination. So what should you do if your rights are being violated? Well, if your agency is ignoring your accommodations or pressuring you to quit, act fast. You have 45 days to file a complaint with the agency's Equal Employment Office. If you wait too long, you could lose your chance to fight back and lose your rights. Once you get a denial, the clock usually starts the 45 days. And if you're a federal employee with a disability, you need to know your rights. We've created a step-by-step video course to protect you through every part of the process. It's called Navigating Reasonable Accommodations, and it's designed to help you secure accommodations you deserve, whether it's telework, adaptive equipment, or job modifications. You'll get clear, actionable strategies for filing your request, handling pushback, protecting your medical privacy, and appealing denials. Plus, we teach you how to avoid common retaliation traps and use mindfulness techniques to stay calm and in control. You can also find a lot of stuff online or putting it out here in social media for those who don't want to pay the price. Regardless, don't risk losing your rights. Please stay informed. Ask Jan is a great resource. At the end of the day, federal employees who are disabled belong in the workforce. If you or someone you know is facing discrimination, please feel free to follow us for updates. In our bio, the first link is to our daily newsletter, so you don't just rely on the algorithm to get it. There's other resources there, including the video. Again, another great resource for federal employees or any employee with a disability is askjan.org. I would encourage people, your protections are strong, learn more about your rights. Thank you everybody for your time, and I hope everybody has a good day.